Let's start with one of the most common reasons people turn to LegalZoom. Business formation, specifically forming an LLC or a corporation. LegalZoom offers tiered packages for these services. For LLC formation, you'll generally find a basic, pro, and premium option. The basic LLC formation package is often advertised as $0 plus state filing fees. This is a crucial distinction. While LegalZoom might not charge you a service fee for the absolute basic filing of your articles of organization with the state, you are always responsible for the state's mandatory filing fee, which can range from tens to hundreds of dollars depending on your state. The basic package typically includes the articles of organization, a name check service, and a digital welcome packet. Stepping up to the Pro LLC package will cost you around $199 to $249, plus state fees. This tier usually adds valuable features like an operating agreement, a critical document for LLCs, an EIN, employer identification number, necessary for business banking and taxes, a business license guide, and often an initial phone consultation with tax and insurance specialists. The processing time for Pro plans is typically faster than the basic option. Finally, the Premium LLC package is the most comprehensive, generally priced around $299, plus state fees. This package often includes everything in the Pro plan, but with expedited processing, sometimes as fast as one business day, a customizable website, and enhanced customer support options. While the convenience is appealing, it's worth comparing what's included with similar services from competitors, as sometimes you might find better value elsewhere for the premium price. Beyond the initial formation, businesses often need ongoing support. One of the most frequently asked about services is the registered agent service. A registered agent is legally required in most states and is responsible for receiving official mail and legal documents on behalf of your business. LegalZoom's registered agent service typically costs around $249 per year. It's important to note that this service is usually not included in their basic formation packages, meaning it's an additional, recurring cost. Some competitors offer a free year of registered agent service when you form your business with them, so this is a point of comparison to consider. Moving on to intellectual property, trademark registration is another popular service. Protecting your brand name, logo, or slogan is crucial for any business. LegalZoom offers services to help you register a trademark with the USPTO, United States Patent and Trademark Office. The cost for trademark registration through LegalZoom can vary, but generally, you'll pay around $649 to $899, plus the federal filing fees. The federal filing fees themselves are typically around $350 per class of goods or services you want to protect. LegalZoom's trademark service often includes an attorney-assisted comprehensive search to check for availability and attorney filing of your application. There are also ongoing renewal fees every 5 to 6 and then every 10 years to maintain your trademark, which are additional costs. What about something more complex like a patent application? LegalZoom offers assistance with both design and utility patents. For a design patent, which protects the ornamental design of an item, LegalZoom's packages range from around $999 to $1,249, plus federal filing fees. This usually includes professional preparation of your application and technical illustrations. For a utility patent, which protects the functionality of an invention, the process is more involved and therefore more expensive. LegalZoom's utility patent services typically involve a two-step process. Step 1. A preliminary assessment and drawings, costs around $699. Step 2, the actual utility patent application filing, can be around $2,700, plus federal filing fees. These fees do not include the required issuance fee once a patent is allowed by the USPTO. It's a significant investment, but for many inventors, it's a necessary step. Beyond business and intellectual property, LegalZoom also caters to personal legal needs. For instance, creating a last will and testament is a vital part of estate planning. LegalZoom offers basic wills for around $99 for an individual or $199 for a couple. If you opt for a premium will, which might include attorney review and unlimited revisions for a year, the cost can go up to $249 for an individual or $349 for a couple. It's important to note that after an initial period, 30 days for basic, 1 year for premium, any document changes typically incur a small access fee, usually around $19.95 per edit. LegalZoom also offers trusts, which are more complex estate planning documents, with prices ranging from $399 to $649. Another sensitive area LegalZoom addresses is divorce filing. While LegalZoom provides resources and helps with preparing divorce papers, the cost can vary widely depending on whether your divorce is contested or uncontested, and your state's specific filing fees. If both parties agree on all terms, uncontested divorce, the cost for document preparation through LegalZoom can be a few $100s, plus state court filing fees, which can also be several $100s. If you anticipate any disagreements or need attorney consultations, the costs will significantly increase, potentially mirroring the thousands associated with traditional legal representation. LegalZoom does not typically represent you in court for divorce proceedings, but rather helps with document preparation. So, how do you manage these costs and ensure you're getting good value? First, always factor in state filing fees. LegalZoom's advertised prices are often just their service fee, and the state fees are almost always an additional charge. Second, be mindful of add-ons and upsells. LegalZoom, like many online services, will offer various additional services throughout the checkout process. While some can be genuinely useful, others might not be essential for your immediate needs. Carefully evaluate each add-on before you click yes. Third, consider the long-term costs, especially for services with annual renewals like registered agent services or attorney subscription plans. A lower upfront cost might be offset by higher recurring fees. Fourth, compare with alternatives. LegalZoom is a prominent player, but it's not the only one. Other services like Zen Business, Northwest Registered Agent, and Bazee, formerly InkFile, offer similar services, sometimes with different pricing structures or bundled features. For example, some alternatives offer a free year of registered agent service with LLC formation. Finally, for more complex legal matters, or if you have specific questions that require tailored legal advice, LegalZoom offers attorney advisory plans. These plans typically cost around $39 to $49 per month, billed annually or semi-annually, and provide access to attorneys for limited consultations or document reviews. This can be a cost-effective way to get some professional guidance without the higher hourly rates of a traditional law firm. However, these plans are generally for advice, not for full representation in court or extensive legal work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.